Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to change your default font on Outlook using a Mac computer in the year 2026, web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Microsoft Office 365. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad and go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Microsoft Outlook and then make sure that you are signed into the account. So let's now click on new email. Let's now go directly into the email and type a quick message. Dear CSV, as we can see, the font is currently Aptos. If we wish to, let's just say, change the font to Arial, we can click on that drop down, change to Arial, and that will change the font. However, if we wish to, let's just say, change the default type completely to Arial, which means we don't have to keep changing this over and over again, there is a quick trick. Go to the top right corner, settings, click on the cogwheel, and then go to, let's just say, account, or go to email, and then go to composes and reply. And here we have the font type, which is currently Aptos. We want to change this to, let's just say, Arial. Click on Arial. And then we can now see that messages you write will look like this by default. You can also change the format of your messages in the new message window. Let's now click on save. Click on X, go to brand new email. Let's now open up this whole email in a new window. And let's type the message to the recipient, which is rehan@computersciencevideos.com. Font is the subject of this email, and we can now start to compile the email. Dear CSV, I hope that this email finds you well. We have now changed the font on our email. Kind regards, admin. We can now send this to the recipient. Let's now go into the sent items. And here we have an email which has a subject called font. Dear CSV, I hope that this email finds you well. We have now changed our font to Arial for every future email. Kind regards from the admin. We can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.